internet, so yeah, let's do this. So someone wants, so we are gonna get the cups and then plates and then obviously put it backwards. Then just put the jam here, open it. I wanna drink. Okay, honey. Putting sounds always very annoying. Oh my god, mommy, it's not mixing. There you go. You can eat it now, honey. And until then, carry your dishes. Ugh, fine. I only need tomato and pineapple, then an apple again. No, that wasn't that apple just now. Carry your dishes and go to the kitchen and watch your TV with your father or whatever. Both of you don't deserve to get your phone today because you guys did a huge mistake yesterday. I'm pretty sure you all know what mistake that you guys did. Yeah, mommy, we know. Good for you. No, me and your dad has eaten, so yeah. Oh god, it's night time. Get in your comfy coats. Mom is going to start. Huh? Yep. Mom is going up. Girls. Internet, so yeah, let's do this. So someone wants, so we are gonna get the cups and then plates and then obviously put it backwards. Then just put the jam here, open it.